Welcome back, my dear students. So in this lecture, we're going to learn how to delete related data. This is a very good skill to learn when you're deleting certain documents, especially specifically when you're deleting users or that have posts, or maybe posts that have comments and stuff like that. Okay. So let me show you what I have done. I have created. I went to admin and I created two posts. These two posts, each of them has three comments. This one here, okay, and we're gonna do that functionality later on. We want to see how many comments we got here, right? That would be nice. um this one has a picture, and this one does not have a picture. So the one that has the picture has three random comments that has random words in the body. Okay, so this one, two, and three comments belong to the post that has a picture, and there are three more comments that belong to the one post that don't have pictures, and these three comments have random numbers in the body. Let me show you. Okay, you see, those are the three comments that have random words, and these are the three comments that have random numbers. So, and remember that you have to log in order for you to create comments, so I did that. Now it's time for us to build a functionality where we delete the post and all the comments are gone with it. So let's go ahead and play around with that. So I'm in my posts my post routes, and in here in the delete router or route, I'm going to say I want to populate the comments with it. Okay. Now this is going to bring an array of comments for each of my comments. Okay. So let's come back here. We can do this right below here if we wanted to. So if we do console.log, you can see here that it says that we will have some comments. Let's test this out real quick. And let's comment this out. So when we click delete, we should have some comments here. See that? The three comments for that specific post. Good stuff. Cancel this. Let's go back here. We don't need that anymore. Now, we need to check to see if this array is empty or not, because we don't want to make extra functionality here if we don't need to, right? The more features, the more code we have, the more our application suffers from execution time. So let's check to see if the array post.comments that length is smaller than 1. If it's smaller than 1, okay, then we know is 0 and is empty. And if that's empty, if it's not empty, and this is what we're doing with a question mark, if it's not empty, then we want to do something, right? um, what do we want to do? Well, we want to grab the array and do a for each on it, and this for each is going to bring the comment back, so we can use it like this, and we can say comment that remove. Simple as that, guys. Very, very simple. And down here, we just want to keep doing the same thing, right? Regardless if we have our empty comments or not, uh, we want to still remove the comment. Now, keep in mind that this returns a promise as well. Um, you can just attach a promise here, and you can say post removed. Okay. If you want to make sure that that was removed. Okay. So let's go and check this out real quick. I'm gonna refresh here just in case, and for some reason my post picture got deleted. I don't know what happened there. Refresh. Oh, it's weird. Anyway, so I'm going to start with the one that has the random numbers. Delete. It's not here anywhere. And if I go to comments, we only have 2 comments, and we don't have the comments where the random numbers are, right? So, and we don't have it here as either. So let's go ahead and do the last one. Done. Let's go to comments, and the comments are not there. That's it, guys. I hope you saw how easy that was. You can use this for your users functionality if you want to delete users later on with their posts. Okay, so very, very simple. Remember that you have a promise that you can attach here, and if you want to verify that that was removed or something like that. Okay, so you can do a flash there and say, okay, listen, the comment was removed and the post was removed or something like that. I mean, you can modify this however you want. My goal here was to show you how this is done, and now you know. And there are a couple other ways of doing it. Remember that you're dealing with an array here. Also remember that you're dealing with a reference, okay? And we're dealing with methods here that would do queries in our database. So just always keep that in mind. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture, guys. It's been a pleasure like always. And I'll see you in the next one.